So, good evening, people. I come to you with news about a massive title called Attack on Titan. Well, the new episode title has just been released called The Massive Train, and it comes out this summer. It's sometime in December. December 13th, perhaps. I don't know. I just finished this book, so all I do is report. So, um, did you were you aware of this information at all? If not, please share. I'll provide links with more information below. So peace out. Yes, peace out.